This ponytail is just so natural. It's giving hair, okay? It's giving real hair, okay, on your head for your ponytail. It's just so cute. Hey you guys, it is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. And today this is gonna be a hair video. Okay, I am super excited, but before we get off into this video, let me introduce myself. I am Tiffany Monique. Okay, I am Tiffany, y'all. Okay, and make sure you guys will follow me at DIVA TEE. Okay, make sure you guys are following me on all my social media platforms, which will be linked down in the description box down below. Okay, and also make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, you guys. Join me, Tiffany, and the family. Okay, yes, y'all. So today we have a hair video that we are going to do by SHEIN. Okay, I have a SHEIN Clawclip Drawstring Ponytail to show you guys. Okay, yes, I am super excited to show you guys. Let's get off into this video. Let me show you guys the hair. First of all, the hair came in this package. Okay, I already unboxed the hair. I've already worn the hair to see how it was before I even show you guys and tell you guys about the hair. But I did want to show you guys the packaging. This is a human hair ponytail, Afro Kinky. Okay, wait. So this is the hair. It is Afro Kinky, 12 inches long. Okay, look at that texture. It is really pretty, and I like how the curls bounce. Okay, like they like bounce back. Okay, really cute. It is, like I said, 12 inches long. You can wear it anywhere. You can wear it to school. You can wear it to a wedding. You can travel in this hair. It's super cute to put your hair into a ponytail. You can wear it up in a high ponytail. You can wear it in a low ponytail. But let's get into the construction and the details of the ponytail. So this is a claw clip ponytail, y'all. So this is the claw clip. So before, the first step is you clip the claw clip onto your ponytail. Make sure your hair is in a ball. Make sure you brush it to your desired style, and then you have two combs to put in there. So it's one at the bottom and one at the top. Okay, and then you have a drawstring. So this is a claw clip drawstring ponytail, you guys. Okay, that's a lot, but it is really pretty on when you put it on. It is volumized. It has a lot of volume. Okay, I like the hair. This is a ponytail drawstring extension ponytail, y'all. I love it. Claw clip drawstring. I like the ponytail so much. It's like all purpose. You can wear the hair anytime, anywhere, and it stays on. It looks really pretty to style. Okay, so I'm about to lay my hair down. Okay, and I'm about to put some gel on my edges and put a little so anyway, I'm gonna end up laying some baby hairs down, using some my hair gel and edge control. I'll be having to use a combination on my little ponytail. I did just take out my braids, so I'm just putting some gel on my edges, and then I'm gonna tie it down for a bit, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys, you know, how I I'm going to style the ponytail. I'm gonna wear like my ponytail medium low, so I'm gonna kind of wear it a little low or like in the middle of my head. I'm gonna brush my hair so I can put that ponytail into place. The ponytail is 12 inches long, so I don't want the ponytail to be short, and I don't want my ponytail that I'm a little ball in, I don't want it to be too high. I just want it to be like in the middle of the back of my hair. Okay, so this is my ponytail. I am putting my ponytail holder on, and I'm just gonna put my hair into a little ball in the back. So my hair is in a ball in the back, okay? And then I'm gonna tie my hair down to make sure that my edges lay down, okay? I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm gonna try to lay some baby hairs down right now, but I know that when I take my scarf off, they're gonna be right back curled all up. My hair like never lays down, but I did wanna slick it down so that after I tie it up, my little hair is already in place. So these are my baby hairs. Like I said, my hair may not lay down after I take that scarf off, okay? So this is how my ponytail is giving before we add the hair, okay? So my hair is tied up. I'm gonna let my gel kind of dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what the ponytail looks like after I style it. Y'all, I also wanted to tell you guys that it does come with this hair bag, and you can store your ponytail in this hair bag when you are not using it. So, and it says 9 AM hair, okay? So it's from Shein Beauty Stores, okay? I am going to have the link down in the description box down below. Okay, so yes, we need a hair storage bag. That's very, very much important, okay? And also, what you get some lashes, y'all. Y'all get some lashes, and they cute too. I already have some lashes on, so I'm not going to use these right now. But I definitely wanted to show you guys these lashes. They are super, super cute. So that's everything that you get with when you order your Shein Hair by Shein, okay? This is my first time trying out hair from Shein too, so I know that the style is going to be really, really cute, okay? So yes, get into the lashes. And like I said, the hair is a really good quality. You can get so many uses out of this ponytail. It's already kinky curly, so I don't think you should be worried about too much hair matting, okay? So I love this. But I did wear this ponytail already before I came and showed you guys, so that when I came, I can give a real honest review. Like, I wore this hairdo all day today, and the hair is not matted in the back. It's kept its original texture, which is that kinky curly look. So we about to just try this on. I gotta wait till my hair dry. Okay, y'all, so I just laid my hair down. So we about to put this ponytail on. Okay, so I'm gonna use the claw clip first. So I clipped it on the. Okay, y'all, so I clipped the ponytail on by the claw clip, and then I'm putting the clips in the back, in the top, and I'm securing it in the back, and then I'm gonna pull the drawstring. It's real easy for it to tighten. I feel it tightened. It's secure. It's not coming off my head. Okay, so it's on here, and I wanted it to kind of hit my shoulders. It is kind of short. I should have went a little longer on it because I wanted to kind of hit my shoulders, but it is a natural ponytail. It is a natural ponytail, and I just wanted it, and it comes down really nicely. Okay, so this is the look, guys. I love it. And like I said, I could wear this ponytail style to work. You could wear it anywhere, to dinner, on a date. You could dress it up, dress it down. And it comes at a good length, but like I said, you got to make sure that the ponytail is like midway your head. And I think it's just so cute, guys. Get into that. It's really cute. I really like my hair. Come through SHEIN. This is my first time trying any SHEIN hair. Super pretty. Okay. It's on there, really nice. Yes. Get into the hair, guys. It's real cute. And it really does match my texture, because my hair is definitely kinky. Of course, I'm a black woman, okay? And we got kinky hair, kinky curly hair, so it looks real natural. Natural beauty coming through, okay? All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am Tiffany, and if you'd like to see more little hair videos and hairstyle videos with my sleek ponytail and my kinky afro curly pony, y'all, or any other styles you guys want me to try, let me know and I will come through. I'm gonna do the best that I can. I hope y'all can see the back, because I'm filming this, so let me just try to show y'all the back. This ponytail is just so natural. It's giving hair, okay? It's giving real hair, okay, on your head for your ponytail. It's just so cute. Okay, guys, I hope y'all see that ponytail. It's really cute. You guys can add bobby pins, okay? But I'm not gonna hold y'all, okay? So this is the ponytail of the day. I am gonna be wearing this little cute ponytail. I just gotta make sure I tie my hair down so that my hair lays down really cute. But yeah, I like it. It's me, and it's giving everything, okay? I love me a good drawstring ponytail. If you look on my channel, I mean, I haven't done a hair ponytail video in a long time, but I do have some other drawstring ponytails down below, okay? So I am Tiffany, also known as Diva TT on all social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Limit 8, okay? So I will see you guys in my next video. Tiffany is out.